Hi there, in today's tutorial we are looking at how to create this donut in Blender 3.4. Guys, without wasting my time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So first of all, go to the splash screen, select general. So as you can see, this is the default cube right over here. Press X on your keyboard and delete it. Okay, so after deleting it, what you have to do is to go to add, mesh, let's zoom it a little bit, increase the minor radius, bigger like this. Okay, so after increase the minus radius, what you have to do next, okay, let's increase it a little bit like this. Okay, so the 0.58 is okay. After that, what you have to do next is to deselect it, left click, and go to the modifier properties, add modifier, add subdivision surfaces, and as you can see, the curves is not that circle enough, so add a level, add one. Okay, so let's set the level to 2 and the render to 2. After that, we get our circle shape that we are looking for. Okay, after that, the next thing that you have to do is to right click on it, choose shade auto smooth, and the angle is set to 30 degrees. When you are done, guys, you are good to go. So this is your new donut that you created in Blender version 3.4. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next tutorial, which is the part 2 of this video. Bye bye.